Hi everyone. Hi everyone. This is Dr. Swaminathan SM. Now I am going to discuss about the topic specification using Veriolg HDL operators and timing controls. So the outline of today's topic is introduction about the history, operators used in the Veriolg HDL, precedence rules for operators, and operators used in the Veriolg, and equality and identity operators and operators, and following with this literal numbers, and following with the activity we will discuss about the procedural timing controls, intra assignment timing controls, Verilog HDL structural language, and summary assessment. So this is the today's topics outline. So first we will discuss about the operators used in the Verilog HDL. So first we are using the arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division, and rational operators. Relational operators we will discuss about the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Equality operators means that is equal, not equal, and logical operators means not means exclamatory symbol, and AND gate and OR gate. So bitwise operators means tilde symbol for NOT gate, ampersand for AND gate, pipe symbol for OR gate, cap symbol for XOR, and tilde cap symbol for X NOR gate. Next we will use the unary reduction, that is AND tilde, and that is NAND gate, and same like for NOR gate, OR gate, etc. And next is shift operators, left shift or right shift we will discuss. And next the conditional operators like question mark with the colon, and concatenation means that is a square bracket, like the square bracket, mathematics square bracket we will discuss. That is for example Suresh and one another letters, that is called Kumar, means we will concatenate means Suresh Kumar, that is a concatenation purpose. And next the Verilog HDL precedence rule for operators means that is first highest precedence to lowest precedence, from NOT gate to, that is question mark, that is ternary operators, that is conditional operators. So this is the order of precedence. And next we will discuss about the relational operators, that is defined A less than B, A greater than B, A less than or equal to B, A greater than or equal to B. The equality operators, that is defined equality operators means A equal to B including X and Y, Z, and A not equal to B means including X and Z, and A is equal to B means that is the result may be unknown, and A exclamatory equal to B means A not equal to B but result may be unknown. So this is the equality operators. Next we will discuss about the equality operators like A is equal to 2 tick B O X, that is means like 2 bit, 2 says that size, and bit means that is value, that is a binary, that is number type, and 0 means that is a value. So this is the A, B is defined. If A is equal to B means then it will display A equal to B, else it is not equal to B, that is the first. So here the result is A is not equal to B because it is not equal. And next identity operator means A is equal to 2 tick B 0x, and if A is equal to B means that is A is identity to B. So both are same means it is identity. So the result is A is identity to B. And next the operators. Operators means there is a unary operators assign A is equal to not B, and B, that is binary operators assign A is equal to B and C. So B is ANDed with C, the value is stored in the A. So using the keyword assign we will use. Ternary operators means select A is equal to B means 2 to 1 multiplex it is used. Select based on the select signals the multiplexer is used. If multiplexer signal, that is select signal S is equal to 0 means that is the first output as a the first input is given as a output. If select lines 1 means second input is a output. Next the comments, that is a one line comment means that is a double slash. The multiple line comment means slash star. And the error comments means slash star and with this star slash and star slash. So this is called the comments. So based on this, we will use the comments for our user convenience. Next, the operators, we will use the example A 11 is to 6, that is B square bracket 2. That concatenation means that is square start n expressed, that is comma expressed and added 4. So we will use the A1 sum carry, that is the output. Assign carry is carry sum sum. So sum is nothing but AB plus BC in plus C in A, and the carry means AB plus BC in plus C in A. So sum means A XOR B XOR C in. So the arithmetic operator which is used plus, minus and star, that is example A is equal to P plus C and X is equal to Y star Z. The conditional operator, based on the condition, we will check the conditions either less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Example, that is assign B is equal to A is equal to 0. If A is equal to 0, then the term A is assigned with the B. That is the concept. And next, the literal numbers. We already discussed about the literal numbers. Size, base, value. So size defined, that is a decimal number or hexadecimal number or anything. Base means that is a value, that is a binary or octal or hexadecimal or anything. And next, the value means that is if binary means zeros ones, if decimal means 0 to 9, if hexadecimal means A to F, like this. So the 4 types of logical values, we will discuss about the 4, but digitally we know zeros and ones only. 0 means logically 0, that is off. 1 means logically 1, that is on. X means nothing but unknown. Z means nothing but high impedance state. So these are all the literal numbers we will discuss. And next to the examples, that is 12 means we will discuss about the 12, that is 8-bit decimal or 32-bit decimal we will discuss. And 8 tick T45, that means 8 means that is a size and D means decimal, 45 means that is a value. Size, binary, that is a value. And next we will discuss about the 10 tick hex F1, that is means 10 hexadecimal, that is 10-bit hex. So that is examples. Next, 32-bit Z means that Z is nothing but 32-bit. So 6 tick B, that is 6 is the value, that is a size. So size bit value, so 6 means size. So that is totally 6 bit, 001 underscore 010. So that is 6 values. So the underscores are ignored, X and Z values are automatically extended. So A is a question mark, that is a value for interpreted as a Z. So next, the following with the activity, that is a debate. We will give you the topic for the debate. So following with the activity, we will discuss another thing, that is the procedural timing controls. So we will discuss about the hash delay, that for simple delay at signal, that is signal at positive edge or negative edge, that means edge trigger signal, level sensitive signal we will use. So there is 2 types of triggering we will use. One is for that is latches. Latches means level triggering, and flip-flop. Flip-flop means that is edge triggering. So edge triggering control we will use maximum as a flip-flop. So these are all the edge. So positive edge, we will look at the example. So if positive edge means Q is equal to D, else Q bar is equal to D. So these are all the edge triggered signal. Next, the procedural timing controls, we will use the initial begin and read is equal to 0, wait for enable or enable 2. So that is R signal, either enable or enable 1 or enable 2, it waits. So again read is equal to 1. Hash 5, so wait for 5 seconds and read is equal to 0. Next, always wait at the set. So begin at the negative edge, wait for 3 seconds and again the Q is equal to 1. After Q is equal to 1, it displayed, again it wait for 1 second and displayed Q is equal to 0. And again it wait for few seconds. That is set. Set means exclamatory set means that is reset. So again reset, again it goes the another cyclic process. Again the loop runs. So this is the procedural timing controls. Intra assignment timing control means we will use hash 100 clock, the tilde clock. That means at positive edge Q is equal to D. That is called the previously described signal. And intra assignment timing signal means clock hash is equal to 100 tilde clock, Q is equal to positive H D. That means it waits 100 for the clock signal. Again it reverse, and Q it displayed the positive edge only the D signal. So Q is equal to D only its positive edge signal. So the simulators that performs two steps when you encounter the intra-assignment timing control statement, evaluate the RHS first, that is right hand side statement, and again they execute the assignment after a proper delay. And next, Veriolg HDL structural assignment A is equal to hash 10B, that begins temporary, it's consigned B, and hash 10 it wait for 10 seconds and A displays the temporary signal. And positive edge signal, that is the same thing, whether it displays only the positive edge clock. And it repeats 3 times, again the positive edge clock B means it repeats 3 times, positive edge and positive edge, it repeats 3 times. That is called the structural language. And that's all. This is the intra and extra assignments. So we'll discuss about the operators and the timing controls which played the main role for Veriolg HDL. Veriolg means verifying the logic HDL. So it is a case sensitivity language. So following this, we will discuss about the assessment, operators precedence from highest precedence to lowest precedence, and size, bit, value. These are all the literal number syntax. And tell me the literal number syntax, we will use 12, and 8 tick, that is the decimal, 45 we will use, and 10 hexadecimal, that is for F1. So 12 is a signal that is used for decimal, and 8 is nothing but the size, and D is nothing but bit decimal, that is 45. 10 is the hexadecimal, H is decimal, hexadecimal, F1 is the value, and same like for 1 bit, 1 tick, bit 1, that means 1 bit signal, that value is 1. So 32 bit means Z, 6 bit means that is 001010. So hash 10, any value we will use for symbol delay, and at positive edge clock or negative edge clock, which is useful for defining the flip-flop. So that's all. So this is the today's session for operators and the timing controls. So the summary, so mainly we will use the operators based on the precedence, and also timing controls we will use the hash syl, and also for at positive edge clock or negative edge clock to define the latches and flip-flop, and also for defining the sequential logic circuits. So this is the Veriolg HDL operators and the precedence. Thank you.